Oh, hello, everybody. It is such a beautiful day. You know what? It's a great day for a lather review. And since it is such a good day outside, we're going to do it outside. Now, let's see. Should we use Voyager by Long Rifle? Should we use Roanoke by Long Rifle? Or should we use Hunting Lodge by Long Rifle? Well, mystery is yours. Let's go inside and see which one we select. Okay, everyone. So now that I've got my little makeshift lather station set up here outside, by my barbecue grill, that is, I want to get a chance to show you the shaving soap that we selected. It is Long Rifle's Voyager. Yes, and I'm telling you, whether you served in the Navy or you also have taken sea voyages of any kind, you definitely know this scent recalls some pleasant memories. Amanda, fantastic shaving scent. While I'm saying it's a great scent profile, let's see if indeed it does provide a great lather so that it can be a best shaving soap for beginners.
Now, Long Rifle shaving soaps, the container pour version. There's other options. There's a liquid soap, soaps in tins, bath bars, and an aftershave, all in the same scent profile. The scent profile that we're focusing on today in this video is Voyager. Now, Voyager is scented in an amazing blend of sandalwood, patchouli, and oak moss, combined to give you a great, sensual, earthy scent that is loved by both men and women. Now, this tallow-based shaving soap has a creamy, thick lather and has great post-shave feel. For best lather, scoop out, say, a small amount out of the 3-ounce container, say about a nickel's worth, or maybe if you need a little bit more, a quarter, the max. Load that into a separate bowl or mug, add just a few drops of water in the beginning, and you're on your way. The ingredients of this soap: water, olive oil, coconut oil, locally sourced organic tallow, unrefined shea butter, sodium hydroxide, canola oil, castor oil, fragrance, patchouli essential oil, yarrow powder, indigo powder, mineral colored, and the weight of this particular version, that is, again, we're talking about the container pour version, is 5 ounces.
For beginners. Now, as I said, I've got my little station here set up. Got my brush. As always, for the lather reviews, I like to lead with the Green Ray by Phoenix Artisan Accoutrements. And so, one thing I want to show you about the soap itself here before we get into the lather review. It's a very soft soap, so it's not as hard as most shaving pucks are out there. So you could just scoop some out here, as I did, and press it into the bowl. Now I like to do it around the edges here, so that a lot doesn't get left in the bottom. But as I continue to lather and build up the lather, it just makes it easier. And also I like to thin it out, so I don't like to have a big clump in one area when I'm really trying to get a good lather here. So if you do something like that or not, this is something I actually learned from Donald Younger over at the WTF, Wet the Face. So Donald, kudos to you. Okay, so are you ready for some lathering? Let's go. Now the brush is already a little wet here, so I'm going to start it off. Usually I try to start off as dry as I can with just a little moisture, because this is a synthetic brush. So I'll dip it in the brush with just a few drops of water in the bowl to get started. And the water doesn't want to cooperate. There you go. All right, so we got just a few drops of water. Now let's go. Let's get to lathering. I have a fly out here trying to get in the action. Absolutely rich, luxurious. Now let's see how she holds up. Okay, now let's see how she lathers on the skin. So I'm going to get some water here. Okay. Basically to simulate a face lather.
I just wanted to point out to you that this feel is indeed a wonderful, as far as, again, the lather is concerned. A nice, thick, yogurt-like consistency develops a great barrier of slickness and cushion that helps that raise or glide across your skin, giving you the most optimal shave possible. Kudos to you, Amanda, for developing such a great formula. The post-shave feel test? Let's see. I'm going to wipe this off right now to basically simulate that the shave was already complete. Let's see how she feels afterwards. Okay, now that I wiped it off, let's see the feel. Yes, the word is outstanding. The formula, I just had to touch my face to get a close-up feel, and it indeed is wonderful. So if you're looking for a great soap for beginners that will give you a great save during the shave itself, as well as after, this indeed is the one. Long Rifle Voyager.
Like you, I was once new, and I believe the hype that we cannot shave with a razor without getting razor bumps. Well, that myth has been busted. So, if you're interested in learning more, or if you feel that this content is helping you, please don't forget to subscribe. Make sure that you also click on the like button and the notification bell so that every time we produce new content, you are notified. Your doing this is really helpful to me and to the growth of this channel.